Tell me if you get one on your other hand. I'm taking this hand right now. I'll go this way. Got a nice ring. I have more fun with this stupid. You know how much I paid for this little camera? $65 at Radio Shack. Oh, he's up. Did he land? Sure looks like it in this picture, anyways. He didn't touch down, though, did he? But I bet you'll look like it in this picture. It's just amazing how close they'll come to us all. No fear, which is great. I wish the other birds would do that. I had two beautiful cardinals out in off my deck for having babies, the red one and the brown, you know, the mommy. I deleted them all, though.
I saw it.
Yeah, but I got it. You ain't paying attention to Bogart.
What,